Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube in incognito mode. In incognito mode, none of your browsing history, cookies, or site data or information entered are saved on your device. This also means your activities doesn't show up in your Chrome browser or Edge browser history. So people who also use your device won't find your activity. I'm going to show you how to do that in Edge browser and Chrome browser. So let's do that. Now, this is your Chrome browser. Go to the three dots there, which is also the menu. Click on it. You will see New Incognito Mode. Click on that. And this brings out the new incognito mode. Now you can type in whatever websites that you want. Now, for instance, we'll be using YouTube. So I'm going to type in YouTube and press the Enter key. Now, when it opens, you can go ahead and log in your details and access YouTube. Now, let's go to the Edge browser. So here is your Edge browser. Now, go to the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Click that. Now, in Edge browser, it's called New in Private Window. It's the same thing. So I'm going to click on that. Like I said, you can use this New in Private Window for any website. Now, we'll be using YouTube as an example. Now, type in your YouTube and press Enter. That is it. When it opens, if you do have an account with YouTube, you can sign in there, or you can go ahead and just do your browsing. Now, this brings us to the end of this video. If it did help you, consider liking, subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video for more tech tips like this.